All right, one last thing I wanted to go over as we review these properties of circles was how to write the equation of a circle in center radius form or standard form by completing the square. So let's look at this example here. I've got x squared plus y squared plus 14x minus 12y plus 4 equals 0. And I want to write that in center radius form by completing the square. All right, well, remember, we want to group our x and y terms together, and let's go ahead and move that constant to the other side of the equation. So I'm going to go ahead and write this as x squared plus 14x plus y squared minus 12y, and I'm going to move that 4 to the other side of the equation, so that makes that negative 4. All right, now the next thing I need to do is I need to complete the square of both my x terms and my y terms, make both of those into perfect square trinomials. And if you remember, the way I do that is I do the b over 2 squared. So the term for my x is going to be 14 over 2 squared, which is going to be 7 squared, which is going to be 49. So I'm going to have to add a 49 to that side, which means I'm going to have to add a 49 to this side. Okay, so that's the term that completes my square over there. Now let's complete my square on the right side. I've got negative 12 divided by 2 squared, which is going to be negative 6 squared, which is going to be 36, so plus 36. So I need to add a 36 over there as well. Okay, guys, so now when I rewrite this, I'm going to have x squared plus 14x plus 49 on this side, plus y squared minus 12y plus 36 on this side. And then I'm going to need to add all of these terms together on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to end up with 45 plus 36, which is going to be 81. All right, guys, so whenever we factor our perfect square trinomials, on the left-hand side, I'm going to have x plus 7 squared. And then on the right-hand side, I'm going to have y minus 6 squared equals 81. And now it's in center radius form. And remember that the center of your circle is going to be negative 7, comma 6. And the length of your radius is going to be 9. Because remember, it's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals your radius squared. Okay.